everyone, welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I'm sharing with you 2 simple ways to use a cake mix. In this video I'm using 1 packet of cake mix, that's 300 grams, and I'm going to divide it into 2 batches. The first one I'm going to try to make a chocolate chip cookie bar. And this was inspired by Dawn from the Minimal Mom. I'll link her channel in the description box. And the next I baked it with kind of the same ingredients from the box. I did make a little changes to it. So without further ado, let's get started.
This is the cake mix that I bought. It's French vanilla and its net weight is 300 grams. And you just need to add in oil and water. And for the first recipe, I'm using 50 grams of butter. I'm going to melt it in the oven. And to this, I'm going to add 1 egg. And mix it up. And then I'm going to add half of the cake mix to it. Dawn had actually used 1 full box, and she had used 1 stick of butter and 2 eggs. And since I used only half of the cake mix, I used only 1. And instead of chocolate chips, I had only these chocolate shavings, so I added them. And in a preheated oven at 180 degrees, I'm transferring the contents to a greased buttered cake pan. And I'm going to bake it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, put a fork through the middle to see if it's done. If the fork comes out clean, it's done. Now I cut it into cubes. Then I turn it over onto another plate. For the next one, I use the other 50 grams of butter and melted it in the oven again. And I use that butter paper to butter the cake pan. Now I'm preheating my oven to 180 degrees again. And to this melted butter, I'm adding the remaining half of the cake mix. And as the packet says 150 ml water, and there's only half of the mix, I'm adding 75 ml of water. The water can be plain room temperature water. Mix it well, and I'm adding some of those chocolate shavings again and giving it a good mix and transferring it onto the cake pan. Tap it to release all the air bubbles, and again I'm baking it in a 180 degree preheated oven for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, do the same fork test, and if the fork comes out clean, you're done. Turn it over onto a plate and your cake is ready. I let it cool slightly and then turned it over. And you can see how soft it turned out, unlike the previous cookie one. And this was how the cookie bar cake turned out. They were a little crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. And now for the cake. This is eggless cake. You can see how soft it is by the way the knife goes through it. And it tasted really yummy. The center was a little too soft, so I heated it in the microwave for another 1 minute. And that's it, you're done. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care, God bless, bye bye. Smile, Jesus loves you.